Hello, everyone. We appeal to the United Nations, the United States government, the international human rights organizations such as Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch, and Refugees International, and all activists, lawyers, and individuals to act urgently to stop the government of the Republic of Kazakhstan from extraditing SAURAGUL SAUTBAY to China, where she will be at a high risk of being tortured and even executed. We call upon the government of the Republic of Kazakhstan to respect international human rights and refugee laws and to refrain from extraditing Ms. SAURAGUL SAUTBAY. We ask them to immediately release her and assist her in seeking refuge either in Kazakhstan or facilitate her to seek safety in another country. As you see right here, this is SAURAGUL SAUTBAY. She was born in 1976 to an ethnic Kazakh family in Illi region of East Turkistan, or what is currently known as the Uyghur region under Chinese occupation. Her husband, WELY ESLAM, and her two daughters are citizens of Kazakhstan. SAURAGUL herself was a principal at an elementary school in Mongolkure County in Illi region of East Turkistan. In January 2017, she was assigned to oversee and maintain the discipline of Chinese government employees that were assigned to work at a political re-education dubbed concentration camp in Mongolkure County. She taught the government employees at the concentration camp on how to re-educate and deal with detainees in the concentration camp in accordance with the secretive, strict directives and guidelines sent by the central government in Beijing. In March 2018, the Chinese administration feared that she might leak the dark realities and inhumane ways the Chinese government deals with the Uyghur, Kazakh, Kyrgyz, Uzbek, and other Tatar detainees in the political re-education dubbed concentration camps, thus using the excuse that she was in contact with foreigners, as her husband and two daughters were in Kazakhstan, where they are citizens of Kazakhstan. The Chinese government had planned to give SAURAGUL a 3-year prison sentence. In mid-April 2018, SAURAGUL SAUTBAY escaped to Kazakhstan through the border, through the Kazakh East Turkistan border using some means, and joined her family in the Elementary region of Kazakhstan. On May 22, 2018, two individuals who introduced themselves as officers from National Security Committee of the Republic of Kazakhstan, or what is known as Kazakhstan's intelligence agency, arrested her, and she is currently being held at a detention facility in the town of Jarkent in the Elementary region. Kazakhstan's intelligence agency is set to extradite her to China due to the fact that the Chinese government has been searching for her and requested that she be returned to China, and also along the charges that she crossed the Kazakh border illegally. If she is returned to China, there is no doubt she will be imprisoned, tortured, and even executed. Thus, we call on the international community, governments, organizations, and individuals to act immediately to help save her and uncover the reality behind China's concentration camps in East Turkestan. This is a photo of Ms. SAURAGUL SAUTBAY and her husband and her little son. Thank you. Please share the video, and let's make sure that the international community and everyone that can assist helps secure the release of Ms. SAUTBAY and prevents the extradition of Ms. SAUTBAY to China. Thank you.